Hey guys, some of you already know who I am, and for those that don't, my name is Robert, and today we're going to be doing a review and demonstration of the AYAMAYA 3 to 4 person hydraulic instant pop-up tent. Glad you're with us. I'm excited about this item, and let's see what it's about. Okay, so what has me excited about this item is that there's no messing with sticks, no ropes and so forth. Sometimes you have the wind coming in or adverse weather conditions that are pressuring you to put these sticks together and tying the ropes down. Here's the hydraulic instant pop-up mechanism, and I'm going to demonstrate that right now. You'll see how easy it is to pop this thing up. Just go like this, pull down, and that's done. All we got to do now is straighten out these sticks. Okay, got those there. Over here, over there, and that's less than a minute. So incredible. I really like that. Just okay, so the outside material, the fabric material, is a PU 3000 190T polyester. The ground material is PU 4000 210D Oxford. The proof index of this material is between 3,000 millimeters to 4,000 millimeters. The seams are heat sealed in connection area to prevent water leakage. And, the removable rain fly, okay, which helps water from stop gathering at the top. A lot of these, what they do is they'll sag and they hold water. This item here, being that it's pyramid shaped, won't do that. Now, the interior layout is 102 inches by 86 inches and 57 inches tall. And take a notice, we have 2 D doors. Okay, 2 D doors, one on each side, which is added ventilation for those hot summer days, which is an added plus. Usually these tents only have 1 D door. This one has 2. Another added plus with this tent is these air vents. Check this out. Okay, closes at night. Okay, and then this has got some material inside of it where it holds it open for you, and that's for extra added ventilation. A definite plus for those hot summer nights. Very unique. I've never seen a vent like this on a tent. And of course, leave it up to AYAMAYA to have something like this. Okay, so what we have here now is the AYAMAYA hydraulic mechanism 3 to 4 person tent, completely enclosed. Okay, and that's for definite protection during adverse weather. Okay, rainstorms, hail, whatever you may run into out in the wild. And watch this, it turns into what they call a vestibule. Now I'm gonna demonstrate that really quick. Okay, just zip this up, move this piece over here. And this here opens up to about 19 inches. Now, I'm sure you guys, many a times, if you've been out in the wild, out camping or on a hunting trip, you know, you've got muddy shoes or your dog has gotten wet and you don't want it coming inside. So what you do is you put it inside the vestibule, inside this area right here, which once again, as I mentioned beforehand, reaches out to 19 inches. And that's a definite plus. I wish more tents had vestibules. Really helps out on those adverse weather, muddy shoe type of days, so I can avoid dragging stuff inside the tent. Here's a different angle of the vestibule, just to give you a better idea of how much space we have. And once again, muddy shoes, gear, and so forth, stuff that you don't want to drag into. Okay, so now here's the eye opener, and I'm going to give you guys a surprise. You see these little buttons here? We undo these, right? Okay. And what this becomes is a pavilion. And I'm going to demonstrate that right now, how that works out. Just follow me. Just a second ago, I was unclipping the cocoon tent, the actual tent, the interior tent. Okay, and I was unclipping it and clipped on all 4 sides. And if you follow me, okay, this is a definite plus because you get 2 out of 1. you get the sunshade. Okay? It converts, and this is referred to as the pavilion of the AYAMAYA hydraulic automatic pop-up tent. The pavilion. It's a sunshade. So it's the top half of the cocoon, which is the actual tent. And you know, you just want to take it easy for the day. You don't want to haul the entire tent. You take the pavilion. So we're now at the final stages of our review and demo. And this is the cocoon. As you remember, we separated the actual tent from the pavilion, from the sunshade. So, of course, obviously, I'm sure you guys have done tents before. You know, we're gonna simply grab this and just fold it up, get it ready for the package, right? And if you follow me over here, okay, we're gonna start taking apart the pavilion. The cocoon goes in the bag, the rain fly comes off the pavilion, which is real simple. It's just some real tiny little elastic clips that come undone. And we're gonna collapse the pavilion. And here it is, folks. Let me just undo these pegs here. Once again, just a few minutes. Just undo this peg, undo that peg, and we're ready to collapse. We're ready to bring it down. So, all we do now is pop the hydraulic mechanism up. Okay, these fold, this comes down in 2 seconds. No pulling sticks out of sleeves, no undoing sticks and bending them and putting them together. We just simply undo the hydraulic top, fold this way, okay, we're working on it, but it just takes a few seconds. It takes usually about 2 minutes to make it collapse and come down. There it goes. Pull out there. There's one. Pull this out. There's 2, 3, 4, 5, and it all goes back.